do this trend, you need Capcut application. Now go to description, and there you will find 3 links. Choose any one you like and click on it. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in Capcut. Now click on Use Template and add your photos. After adding your photos, click on Preview. Now check your video and click on Export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.